Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we have the 16L folding mini washer and the 16L foldable dryer. Both of these machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small living spaces, travel, and more. We'll be looking at their capacity, automation features, and price to see which one offers the best value for your laundry needs. Let's get started. Let's start with capacity. The 16L folding mini washer is designed for smaller loads, making it ideal for delicate items like underwear and baby clothes. In contrast, the 16L foldable dryer offers a larger capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes at once. This makes it a better option for families or anyone who needs to do larger laundry loads. The difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you're frequently washing multiple items. Next, let's discuss automation. The 16L folding mini washer operates semi-automatically, which means you'll need to manually drain the water after washing. This can be a bit of a hassle for some users. On the other hand, the 16L foldable dryer is fully automatic, providing a more hands-off experience. With preset washing modes and a spin basket for drying, it simplifies the laundry process significantly. If convenience is a priority for you, the fully automatic option may be the way to go. Finally, let's look at the price. The 16L folding mini washer is priced at $50, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. However, the 16L foldable dryer comes in at $68, which is a bit more expensive but offers additional features and a larger capacity. When considering your purchase, think about how often you'll use the machine and whether the extra investment in the 16L model is worth it for your laundry needs. In conclusion, both the 16L folding mini washer and the 16L foldable dryer have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option and don't mind a bit of manual work, the 16L model is a great choice. However, if you prefer a fully automatic experience with a larger capacity, the 16L model is worth the extra cost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.